He's not as tasty as I thought he would
My
be.
cable TV has nothing
What you
on
eating,
this.
Aard Fu?
Well, time to meet some
I'm
of the
eating
local
you.
ants. Get the lowdown on Ice Town.
Uh-oh. Hey, little buddy, where are you? Oh, there you are. I've been so worried about you. The important thing is you're safe, and I'm gonna make my bestest friend the bestest breakfast, and the bestest breakfast is Flapjacks.
Hello? Hello?
I'm making my best friend the best breakfast.
Hello? Anybody live around here? This is supposed to be an Antarctic, and I can't find one. This is crazy, people. Crazy.
Hey, little buddy, you don't want to eat cold Flapjacks.
Hello? Any ants down there?
Oh?
Maybe they're all taking a siesta. But if there's no ants up
I don't know
here,
how
that
you did
means no
that,
Aard
but
Fu
if I
either.
knew how to do that, I'd be able to catch that ant.
It is called Kung Fu.
Gesundheit. Hello,
I
ant.
can teach you many
Oh,
things,
man,
but
what
there
is wrong
is
with you?
one
I've got a
condition.
craving, and
You
it's
must
for
do
ants on a
exactly
half
as
shell.
I say,
Well, Aard Fu, I can
without
help you with part of that.
question.
I'll do anything to catch that ant.